Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea Luttrell
and Carrie Taylor. Today we're going to show you how to cook up easy whole grain salad recipes you can bring for your summertime cookouts.
If you've never cooked with them before, farro and quinoa are a must to try.
To start, prepare each grain according to package directions. Then add flavor with different ingredient combinations like these.
Take cooked farro, add diced cucumber, diced tomato, fresh Parmesan cheese, and season with balsamic, olive oil, salt, and pepper.
Or make your own caprese type salad with cooked quinoa, diced tomatoes, diced fresh mozzarella, and either chopped or torn basil, and then season with balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste.
Have a nutrition question?
Email us at livingwell@bigY.com.